Should I get multiple HVAC repair estimates? Yes, getting at least 2 or 3 estimates can help you compare prices, understand the needed repair, and avoid paying for work you do not need. When your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system has a problem, ask several qualified companies to inspect it and explain the cause in plain language. Each estimate should describe the exact part or service needed, the labor charge, the warranty, and whether permits or follow-up visits are included. Do not compare only the final price, because a cheap estimate may leave out important work or use a lower quality part. Ask whether the technician tested the system before recommending a repair, since some problems have similar symptoms but different causes. A useful question is, what happens if this repair does not fix the problem? You should also ask how old the system is and whether repairing it makes financial sense compared with replacing it. An interesting detail is that many heating and cooling failures come from small issues, such as a clogged filter, weak capacitor, blocked drain, or dirty outdoor coil. So regular maintenance can prevent larger bills. Before choosing, check the company's license, insurance, recent reviews, and written terms. Then keep every estimate so you can compare the details carefully. One common mistake is accepting the first diagnosis without asking for proof, so request test results, photos, or a clear explanation of the failed part. Another mistake is choosing the lowest bid automatically, so check whether it includes quality parts, labor, cleanup, and a warranty. People also sometimes approve emergency work without asking for the total price first, so get the estimate in writing and ask whether the price can change. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.